Hey guys, it's Raquel from the Actors Mark. So I just wanted to let you know that we have a Mastering the Self-Tape Audition workshop coming up this Saturday, June 18th, from 12 to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we are going to be going over everything self-tape. We're going to talk about how you can create a more dynamic beginning to your self-tape. We're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of self-tape, different framings of self-tape, how you can create a dynamic slate and how to make your slate stand out. We're going to talk about lighting. We're going to talk about sound. We're going to talk about positioning of the camera. We're going to talk about backgrounds. We're going to go over everything self-tape related. And this is coming from my coaching and coaching with a lot of actors and getting all of the notes from casting for self-tape situations and talking to casting directors about what they like and what they don't like as far as self-tapes go. So it's going to be a super informative class. I highly suggest that you sign up. It's only $25. It's 2 hours. It's super quick, but it's going to be very informative. And I hope to see you there. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to me at Raquel@theactorsmark.com. Take care. Talk to you soon.